exactly. So yeah, we live, and basically there's a tool called appa.ai, and arguably, there's been a lot of discussions or talks about it, it being better than ChatGPT and the likes of. But let's see what it's about. Okay, I've seen amazing reviews on it, and that's why I decided to talk about it. So it's a Google Chrome plugin, as you can see, and it's free, of course. So all you have to do is obviously visit the website appa.ai and get the free plugin. So I'm gonna do it in a bit right now. So when you're here, all you have to do is click to add to Chrome, and it's gonna add to it. So once we're done with that, add extension. So here it's completed, and it's gonna take us obviously to the welcome page. Yeah, there it is. So what you want to do is move over to this option over here and make sure it's highlighted, so that you can easily see it over here, right? We need it to be here so that we can be able to leverage it, right? So now let me show you some key things that you can do with it. You can do a lot of things, but I'm gonna show you a few that I think you would find very useful. So let me say I want to search for what am I typing? The future of AI, for example, right? I do a simple key search of that, and the good thing about this is, so instead of obviously the normal way of clicking each links individually, it allows you to be able to basically, I'll show you in a bit. I don't think I have the right words to describe it, but let me show you what I mean in a bit. So as you can see over here, there's a button, App AI. So once you click on it, yeah, it's going to bring this out, and you can simply just ask for, see, it's already populated it. So the future of AI, and it's bringing out a couple, it's kind of like a summary of what you're looking for, but in an organized way, similar to ChatGPT when you're chatting with it, right? So instead of clicking individual, this is open as field, please check. And the good thing about this, like obviously right now you say OpenAI API as field, you can use multiple, multiple models, so ChatGPT 3.5 or 4, so the default is 3.5, but you could use 4, you could use DALL-E, you could use Google Bard, for example, right? So let's say if we or Claude, so let's say we select Google Bard, for example, right? And let's see. Let's try to, and there you have it. It kind of gives you a summary of everything, just like chatting with normal, normal model language that you have. So it's cool because once you simply search over here, you easily can find, you easily can find results, that would make it a little bit more in depth as opposed to having to click individual links, if you get what I'm saying. So that's one way to go about it. I'm going to show you another one, which is quite amazing. This is YouTube videos. Right, so let me check out this our video of Rishi Sunak and Elon Musk about AI, and let me show you what this can do. It allows you basically to chat with the video, right? So in a minute, so here we are. So I'm gonna go over here, right? And as you can see, summarize video, chat with video, write comments, reply to text, create a script, repurpose video. So if I go to summarize video, for example, I can make it either nested, longer. So I say, okay, let's make it shorter. And right now, this is, again, you can see it processing video from the page. Long videos may take a few seconds to parse or passe, whatever it's called. And here you can see it. Each timestamp is summarizing the key takeaways, right, of the video. And it's telling you exactly the things that, are basically the most important thing of the video, instead of watching the whole video, and it's summarized it for you. All right, and if you click on the timestamp, for example, it's going to take you to exactly where they spoke about that. Obviously the ads are annoying, but you get the point. It's going to take you to exactly which part. I'm trying to mute this. Exactly what part of the video talks about, right? So yeah, there you have it, right? And you can add a comment if you want on the likes. The list is, check out the other one. So this is apple.com, the website, and you basically can chat with the website. So what do I mean by that? You open this, and right, so you can see chat with page, short summary, long summary, all commands if you want. And the good thing about this is once you press this / button, it gives you more options, right? There are more things you can do in case, because the main thing that it shows on this main place is just 4 basic action items that it recommends you to do, right? But if you want more options, all you do is forward and you see a whole bunch of stuff, right? So what you want to do is, let's say I want to chat with the page, for example. I can say, give me the key takeaways of this page, for example. And it shows everything, right? And it keeps going. So it's a pretty cool thing for you to be able to chat with any website, any page. And again, you can do a whole lot more, right? So let me show you another one, right? This allows you to be able to chat with a PDF. So I'm gonna copy this link, right? I uploaded to Dropbox, and I'll paste it over here so that the link it can be like a page that we just chatted with, which was the Apple's page. So, but this is a PDF that I uploaded to Dropbox, and it basically allow you to chat with your PDF, right? So here's another thing you can do, right? Once you any social media page, right? Let's say this post, for example, right? I can select it and move over here. So I put reply, for example. So reply selected text, and it asks what would you like to reply to include? And it could be nothing specific, agreement, disagreement. So I can click on in agreement, and this is it. I completely agree with you. Alphabet as it did make significant strides, but there's still a lot of work ahead to realize its potential and impact. I'll definitely check out your talk, the catalyst effect of Alphabet, as you can see. So it could be Twitter, it could be Instagram, whatever. All you have to do is select the text, and the command is always / whatever it is, if it's not part of the recommended options that's given to you. So that's how you do that. And it's a pretty cool tool, and there are a lot of things you can do. I just showed you a very little portion of the things it could do, because I'm still exploring it, I'm still checking it out, and let me know your thoughts on it. So make sure you subscribe to get the latest updates, and I will see you